You came home in a cardboard box, whole world in a trembling trap. Sleeps in a shoe, nose in my sleeve, tiny size I never wanna leave. Little paws, big heart, how'd you fit the love in something so small? Little paws, big heart, you don't say a word but you say it all. You curl up right against my scars. Little paws, big heart.
Chewed my laces, forgave me first,
Jumped in my lap when the day felt worse.
mud on the floor, tail in the air. You make a mess, you make me care.
Little paws, big heart, how'd you fit that love in something so small?